I told you that for just 50 bucks you can own a speaker that fit in your palm, survive a swim in the ocean, and sound way better than it has any right to. Well, that's the JBL 5 Go, and after testing it for a week, I think JBL might has perfect the tiny speaker formula. Inside the box, we get the JBL 5 Go speaker itself, a USB Type-C charging cable, user manual, and it's pretty much it. First impression, this thing looks premium, super compact, lightweight, easy to carry anywhere. JBL also added new ambient edge lighting this time, which honestly give it a more modern vibe. The build quality feels solid. JBL says the Go 5 is waterproof, dustproof, and even drop-proof with an IP68 rating. So this thing definitely made for outdoor use. You can literally throw this into your backpack, take it to the beach, gym, or even use it in the shower. And the best part, it still fit in your palm. Now feature wise, JBL packed a lot in this tiny speaker. Bluetooth 6 connectivity, Auracast support, stereo pairing with another Go 5, custom EQ through the JBL Portable app, USB Type-C lossless audio playback, ambient lighting modes. One cool feature is AI touch pairing. You can literally tap two Go 5 speakers together for instant stereo sound. Alright, let's talk about the most important thing, the sound quality. For a speaker this small, the bass is actually impressive. JBL improved the low end response compared to the Go 4, and vocal sound clear too. At medium volume, the sound is rich, punchy, and surprisingly loud. Many cheap speakers, it does not disturb badly at higher volume levels. Now obviously does not expect deep subwoofer level bass. This is still a tiny portable speaker. Battery life is rated up to 10 hours with Playtime Boost enabled. In real world use, you will probably get around 6 to 8 hours depending on volume and lighting. Let's talk about pros and cons. Pros number 1, compact and portable. Pros number 2, surprisingly loud sound. Pros number 3, better bass than previous model. Pros number 4, waterproof and durable. Pros number 5, stylish lighting effects. Let's talk about cons. Cons number 1, bass is still limited by size. Cons number 2, lighting can reduce battery life. Cons number 3, no built-in microphone for call. Some Reddit users love the improved bass and sound stage, while another feel the LED lighting more gimmicky. So should you buy the JBL Go 5? If you want a super portable Bluetooth speaker with a strong sound, premium build quality and modern features under a small budget, this is honestly one of the best mini speaker right now. For travel, casual, music listening and outdoor use, the JBL Go 5 obviously delivers. If you enjoyed the review, make sure to like, subscribe and comment below. Would you buy JBL 5 Go or stick with the Go 4? See you guys in the next video.